Today, I am bringing to you 7 warnings that you need to know before you start your YouTube channel. First of all, I am gonna give shout out to all my subscribers. It seems little, but this is a great milestone because honestly, my videos are not that interesting, but these people still sticked out and subscribed and watched. So let's have fun with this. Procrastination is the worst enemy you have to deal with before you start your YouTube channel, because if you do not deal with it, it will really delay you in posting your first video. So what am I saying? Like, procrastination is you may create your channel name, or you may be saying, oh, I want to start a YouTube channel, I want to start a YouTube channel, but you will never really start. Once you think about it, go for it. Don't think too much, just cut it, kill the procrastination, kill it, just move on. To effectively eliminate procrastination, avoid unnecessary doubt of any kind and fears of imperfection. Also, avoid wasting unnecessary time on your phone. Just go ahead with any plan that you have. Shoot any video that comes to your mind, no matter how awkward it seems. You can always analyze and edit it later. That will be the only thing. All you have to do is to do your perfect due diligence about the topic you want to talk about. When you're doing your perfect due diligence, it's really time consuming, so you really need to wear your patient gear and be ready. So this takes me to the number 2 point. Have time to go through YouTube channel. I believe me, you will really spend a whole lot of time going through videos on YouTube channel if you really want to do something at least better, because you can just come out and jump into it without learning how to. So these how-tos is what you can only learn from other YouTube channels that had already gone through this journey, had some bad experience and good experience, then they came up with videos to tell you this is the right way to go, this is not the right way to go. So you just have to really spend your time to go through these videos and like think about it, what works better for you. Use the time you spend on social media that does not amount to anything to think and create contents before you start the journey. So you really need to create time. It's not magical, it's not superpower, it's something that you really have to do if you really want to join YouTube family. So this really leads me to the thought. Patience is key to starting YouTube channel. It takes patience going through A to Z processes involved in everything about YouTube channel. The search and the analyzing is really slow, except you outsource everything, and the fact that you have 0 subscribers will actually demotivate you, but you have to keep pushing. You just have to kind of say, you know what, I am just having fun with this. It doesn't matter anyway. So have fun with it and just have patience with whatever you're doing. Just think long run and you will make it. I think niching down will actually work better for people who are already professionals. But if you are not a professional, say no to niching down. I am a professional based out of my work, but I just want to have fun with this channel. So say no to niching down. I will advise, try whatever comes to your mind, put the content out there and watch, which is exactly what I'm doing right now. I put whatever I think about, whatever I feel, I just put out the content and I watch it. So as time goes on, I will be able to see what I am doing great at and what I am doing better, what I actually can focus more on. So that way I'll be able to know what I can do better that attracts more audience to me. So I am actually gonna say, instead of niching down as a YouTube starter, it's better to explore the opportunity, not having so much subscribers yet, not having so much audience yet. So explore the opportunity to just try so many topics, try so many trends, try so many anything you want to try. Just use these moments of growing to try all of them out, and then you can find out the one you can niche down on. That's what I would think about. And make sure you are not mentally affected by whatever you are doing. The fifth thing I'm gonna warn you about starting a YouTube channel is when you are choosing app. Because when you watch all the YouTubers talking about the apps they use, the things they use, they will really bore you. They will really give you tons of information about different apps that you need to key into. I will tell you, listen to all of them, but make choice of the major apps that you really need at the moment. You really don't need all the apps. Choose the ones that you need for the moment. For now, the apps that I am using are basically all the apps on my iPhone, because that's what I'm using basically to do most of the shooting, not all the shooting. And that's what I'm using for my editing. I'm using Fonto for my thumbnails, and yeah, basically that's it. And there are other apps that I downloaded which eventually I haven't used them up till now. So make sure that you watch all the reviews, all the videos on YouTube about what other YouTubers have tried and used and it worked out very well, that you see that for the beginning it's not gonna be too tedious, it's not gonna be too confusing for you. Just key into it and go for it. Don't overdo it. It is really important for you to have a source of income while waiting for your YouTube channel to grow, because it takes time and some people literally do nothing while waiting for their channel to grow. YouTube channel is good. It's good. It's very, very lucrative, but you don't know how long it's gonna take before you get monetized. I haven't seen a YouTuber who said that they just came like this, bam, and in the next 2 months they made it. Most of them had been on YouTube maybe a year or 2 years before they start even making money. And even they said that when they made their first money off of YouTube, it's literally nothing. It's literally nothing. So you really need to be in it in the long run for you to start making significant income, except you are doing affiliate marketing. But even if you are doing affiliate marketing, you still need subscribers to have to view your channel, because no views, no subscribers, then affiliate marketing, it's not gonna work anyway. So you need both ways, and the best way for you to actually function very well as an affiliate marketer is to grow your subscribers organically. So it's through content creation that you will actually create your get your traffic. So, and then if you try to push it too much, you will not produce quality content. Seventh thing you need to know before you start your YouTube channel is just know that YouTube channel is a full-time job. It's a responsibility. So if you are not ready to make it your responsibility that you will be uploading video either every week or twice every week or something, then don't start. Because once you start your channel, it is a responsibility. You need to find time to be uploading video there if actually you really want to grow. So you need to find you need to call it a responsibility to be uploading videos maybe once a week or 2 times in a week or 3 times in a week. Anyways, however you want to do it, just know that you being a YouTuber or being a vlogger or being an influencer, however you choose to represent yourself, it is a responsibility that for you to grow, you need to be putting on videos maybe all the time, consistently, because consistency is the only thing that will let YouTube algorithm know that yes, you are here to stay and you are ready to hit the ground going. So no matter how awful your content may seem to be, just keep doing it, because the more you put out content, the more you learn from your mistakes, the more you do better and better. So the last I would have to say here is that everything surrounding starting YouTube channel is all about research, because for you to make a headway and do it better as a YouTuber, as an influencer, as a vlogger, you really need to go back to those that had been doing the same thing for over time, and they are really doing real good. So all you have to do for yourself is just go watch their videos, learn from them, learn from their mistakes, and do it better. You can actually, maybe you can do it better, maybe you can twist it, maybe you can do something different, but in the long run, what I'm trying to say is that you just have to learn from other people to start up in a better way. I didn't think too much about it. I didn't know too much about it, but so far what I have put up, so far the things I have learned, it's going back and forth watching videos to do it better, and it had really helped me, and this is something that will actually help you too. So research, never stop to research. Please research. What else do you think people need to be warned about YouTube channel? Put in the comment below what you think people need to be warned about before they start their YouTube channel. It's just comment in the comment section. Tell me what your own option is and what you think about starting before researching and researching before starting. For me, I think the way I did it is the only way I would have done it for me to start, because if I had researched before, I would have given up and said, no, this is hard work. So what do you think? Okay, so that will be all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, share my video. I will be so grateful to hear from you. Always sharing love, always sharing good vibe. Shout out and bye.